Cessna 8 Bravo Alpha, proceed on course runway 29, clear for takeoff.
Runway 29, clear for takeoff, 48 Bravo Alpha.
Bedford Tower, Cirrus 88 Bravo Alpha, approximately 9 miles southwest of Rosewood. Cessna runway 29,
Cirrus 88 Bravo Alpha, Hanscom Tower, enter left base, runway 29er.
left base 29er, 88 Bravo Alpha.
We're 2 November Delta, runway 29er, clear touch and go. We're 7 November Delta, number 2 following the war ahead of you on the downwind.
Number 2 following the war in the downwind, 7 November Delta.
We're 7 November Delta, runway 29er, clear touch and go.
Runway 29er, clear touch and go, 7 November Delta.
Cirrus 88 Bravo Alpha, use your full call sign, similar sounding call signs on frequency of Cessna 488 Bravo Alpha.
Cirrus 88 Bravo Alpha, slowing down, will be entering left base 29.
And Cessna 488 Bravo Alpha, use full call sign. There's a Cirrus on frequency. That is Cirrus 88 Bravo Alpha, similar sounding call signs.
Roger, we'll do 488 Bravo Alpha.
Tower, good morning. Falcon 9190, Alpha number 1, holding short of runway 29. We are ready to go.
Falcon 9190, Alpha, Hanscom Tower, hold short runway 29, flying in traffic.
Holding short, 9190, Alpha.
Tower, Navajo 41166, 8 miles to west of Dallas, Lima.
Navajo 41166, Hanscom Tower, enter left down runway 29.
Downwind 29, 166.
Navajo 166, traffic in the left crosswinds, a Cessna southbound at Taunton report site. And stop your descent, please. From Navajo 166, stop your descent, traffic in the left crosswinds, a Cessna southbound. Cessna 8 Bravo Alpha, stop your climb, traffic heading to your right is a Navajo at 2000.
Cirrus 88 Bravo Alpha, leveling out 1100.
Navajo 41166, stop your descent, please.
I am, I'm level at 2.
Roger, I need you to respond then.
I did.
Cherokee 2 November Delta, extend upwind, I'll call your turn.
Extending upwind, you'll call our turn, 2 November Delta.
Navajo 166, traffic heading to your left, Cessna 1,500 feet southbound.
166, look. Got him in sight.
Cherokee 2 November Delta, extend upwind, I'll call your turn.
Extending upwind, 2 November Delta.
Former 166, descend to pattern altitude and extend downwind, I'll call your base.
Pattern altitude, you call the base, 166.
Hanscom Tower, we just had a near miss with an aircraft that was probably maybe 200-300 feet above us, and we managed to just descend out of the way. 48 Bravo Alpha.
Cheers, 48 Bravo Alpha, Roger. You were given instructions to stop your descent at 1,500 feet, and you acknowledged that, and I called the traffic for the Navajo. That was a Navajo that just passed above you.
I did not, I thought you were talking to the Cirrus. I'm sorry, I think the Cirrus was the one that responded. I'm so sorry. 48 Bravo Alpha.
Cessna 48 Bravo Alpha, frequency change to Boston is approved.
Chase approved, 48 Bravo Alpha.
Contact, please call.
November 8 Bravo Alpha, you guys all set? Reference at Navajo.
Say again, 48 Bravo Alpha.
Hey Bravo Alpha, just the Navajo as you departed, you guys all set?
Yeah, we're all set. That was just two airplanes with a really similar call signs, 48 Bravo Alpha.
November 8 Bravo Alpha, Roger. When you are ready, I do have a number the Bedford Tower would just like to talk to you. Reference that.
Roger, what's the number?
November 8 Bravo Alpha, it's 7812.
781, 48 Bravo Alpha.
November 8 Bravo Alpha, the readback is correct. Contact approach on 126.0.
126.0, 48 Bravo Alpha.